আপনি একটা কাজ করুন, ঠিক আছে? আপনি গাড়িটা তুলে দিন, আর ওই লাস্ট তো সিস্টার বেরোবে, সবার লাস্ট সিস্টার যখন বেরোবে তখন আপনি সিস্টার বেরোনোর জাস্ট 1-2 মিনিট আগে আপনি সবাইকে টাটা করে দিন। তারপরে সিস্টার যখন বেরোবে আপনিও তার আগে আপনি গাড়িটা তুলে দিন। সিস্টার যখন বেরোবে আপনিও তালা দিয়ে বেরিয়ে যাবেন, বেরিয়ে বাইরে গিয়ে আপনি আমাদেরকে ফোন করে বলবেন যে আমার ছুটি হয়ে গেছে, তো কিছু লাগবে কিনা। আসলে এটা করতেই হয়, এটা কিছু করার নেই, এটা আপনাকে এটা কিছু করার নেই। তো আপনি এখন করে লাভ নেই, আপনি এখানে ওখানে বসে থাকুন বা কিছু একটা, বা আস্তে আস্তে সবাইকে টাটা করতে শুরু করুন। আর যখন সিস্টার বেরোবে ঠিক ওই সময় আপনিও একদম ওই টাইমেই বেরিয়ে যান তালা দিয়ে, আর বাইরে গিয়ে ফোন করুন। এখন গাড়িটা তুলে দিন। পলিউশন হয়ে গেছে? পলিউশন হয়েছে?
হয়েছে বলছে 2 বছর স্যার সাথে কোনো আলাপ করো না, আমাদের এক্সট্রা কিছু দিত, আমি এক্সট্রা কিছু দিতে পারবো না।
এটা কোনটা?
ওই তো ওই, হ্যাঁ
ওপারে।
108 টাকা 120 টাকা নিয়েছে।
ঠিক আছে, একটু দেখুন তো 7 PM স্টার্ট হয়েছে কিনা। হয়েছে? হয়ে গেছে? ঠিক আছে। Okay, good evening all of you. Actually there was a topic which I didn't teach you. It's a bit complicated, and today we'll do that topic. It is called Chinese remainder theorem. So we'll do that topic today, and we'll have a few homework questions on that topic today. Okay. So the question which prompted discussion of Chinese remainder theorem. So obviously this whole thing about Chinese remainder theorem, it came about due to a question. There was a question which prompted this discussion. So the question is 128 to the power 1000 by 153. What is the remainder? So 128 to the power 1000 by 153, you can write it as 120 to the power 1000 by 17 into 9. Now suppose you want to do 128 to the power 1000 by 17. So it is 17 into 7 plus 9 to the power 1000 by 17. So that will come 9 to the power 1000 by 17. And 9 to the power 1000, you can write it as 81 to the power 500 by 17. So 85 minus 4 to the power 500 by 17. So this is 16 to the power 250 by 17. So this is 17 minus 1 to the power 250 by 17. So the remainder is 1. See, the problem in this sum, I think you all must have got the idea. What is the problem in this sum? That there is no way you can actually proceed and do 120 to the power 1000 by 153. It is not happening. So you do 153 17 into 9. Individually 128 to the power 1000 by 17, do it. Then again 128 to the power 1000 by 9, do it, right? So when you do 128 to the power 1000 by 9, so that is coming 9 into 14 plus 2 to the power 1000 by 9. So you drop this. This is 2 cube to the power 333 into 2 by 9. So this is 2 cube is 8, 8 is 9 minus 1 to the power 333 by 9. So ultimately you are getting minus 1 into 2, so minus 2 is the remainder, that means the remainder is actually 9 minus 2, which is 7. So when you are doing 120 to the power 1000 by 17, it's coming to 1. When you are doing 120 to the power 1000 by 9, it's coming to 7. Remember that whenever you apply Chinese remainder theorem, the two divisors must be co-prime to each other. That is compulsory. So you are doing 120 to the power 1000 by 17 separately, 120 to the power 1000 by 9 separately. And 17 and 9 are co-prime, they have an HCF of 1. So we can now say that 128 to the power 1000 is 17a plus 1 and it is also 9b plus 7. Okay, 128 to the power 1000 is multiple of 17 plus 1. It is also multiple of 9 plus 7. So you can now do one thing. You can say that b is equal to 17a minus 6 by 9 so that after some simplification we can write like this. So b is 17a minus 6 by 9 and that can be written as 2a minus 1 minus a minus 3 by 9. So if you see carefully, you realize that a and b both has to be integer. Okay, a and b both has to be integer, that is compulsory. So so a and b both has to be an integer. So if you look at it this way, that if you write b as in terms of a, then what integer value of a will guarantee integer value of b, and it must be the lowest integer possible. So if you put a equal to 3, then b is coming to 5. So if a is 3, then b is 5. And in that case, both of these are coming to 52, right? Both these quantities are coming to 52. So what is the suggestion? Okay, what is the suggestion? That you are doing 120 to the power 1000 by 17 and 120 to the power 1000 by 9, but actually you are ultimately having the denominator 17 into 9. So according to Chinese remainder theorem, your final remainder, you will get it when both these have a common answer. When it's 17a plus 1 and 9b plus 7, they both must have a common answer, and it must be the lowest possible answer. Because see, the divisor is 153, so it cannot exceed 153. So finally, you see that the answer is coming to 52. And if you try to use some other value of a and b other than a equal to 3, b equal to 5, your answer will overshoot 153. So 17a plus 1 and 9b plus 7, they both are equal to 52 when a is 3 and b is 5. So the final answer of this question is that the remainder on dividing 120 to the power 1000 by 153 is 52. So this technique is called Chinese remainder theorem. So it's not a very easy topic. I'll do one thing, I'll give you some tougher questions. I'll give you a few questions which are even more tough than this. So I'll give you 3 homework questions. So question number 1. you consider that there is a number in which you have to write the digits successively and keep adding one extra digit. So first you write 1, then you write 1, 2, then you write 1, 2, 3, then you write 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go on like this up to 36 digits. So you write 1, then you write 1, 2, then you write 1, 2, 3, then you write 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 36 digits. So if you divide this by 36, then what is the remainder? And the options are 26, 28, 30 and 24. So if you divide this number up to 36 digits by 36, what is the remainder? Options are 26, 28, 30 and 24. Question number 2, you write 7, 0, then you add one more 7 and again put a 0, 7, 7, 0. Then you add another 7, again put a 0, and you go on like this up to 119 digits. And if you divide this by 440, then what is the remainder? That is a question. If you divide this number 70, then 770, then 7770 dot 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 up to 119 digits. If you divide it by 440, what is the remainder? So options are 107, 77, 370 and 70. And question number 3, you just go on writing 10, 10, 10 continuously up to 94 digits. Just go on writing 10, 10, 10 continuously up to 94 digits divided by 375. So what is the remainder? So options are 10, 260, 350 and 20. So 10, 260, 350 and 20. These are the 4 options. So this is the topic Chinese remainder theorem, and these are the 3. I am only giving 3 questions, it is enough, okay, because the topic is a bit complicated. If you do 3 questions, you will get a very good idea about the topic. So that will be all for today. I am not doing anything else today, only this Chinese remainder theorem, right? Thanks a lot. I'll end the session. Thank you. Bye all of you.